Hi everyone, here is the presentation I have made for our behaviorist bio project. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, welcome to the presentation for the course EDSC 619. My name is Sabeen Bilal and I will be talking to you about Dr. Bridget A.Taylor. Dr. Taylor is a woman of many achievements and accomplishments and to date continues to influence the world of ABA. As far as her education goes, she completed her master's in early childhood special education from Columbia University and attained a doctorate of psychology from the Graduate School of Applied and Professional Psychology at Rutgers University in 1996. Dr. Taylor is renowned for co-founding the Alpine Learning Group in 1988, which to date is recognized as one of the best programs for individuals with autism. In addition to setting up the Alpine Learning Group, Dr. Taylor has also served on numerous boards in an advisory role. The two to highlight would be that she served on the board of JABA and on the BACB. The rest of the advisory boards I've listed here for your reference. Dr. Taylor has also authored and co-authored numerous research works on autism and has also contributed to two books. She has a national and international presence, speaking at conferences across the globe. Dr. Taylor has also helped to set up autism centers in Italy, India, and Canada. I reviewed 5 articles of Dr. Taylor. I will give a brief synopsis of each article so you get an idea of what Dr. Taylor's research and work focused on. First article, titled Observational Learning and Children with Autism, outlines strategies to teach observational learning skills to children with autism from an operant learning perspective, with the aim to improve inclusion for these children in a general education setting. The second article also focuses on helping a student with autism to make verbal initiations. The study basically found that the gentle reminder, which is a tactile prompting device, functioned as an effective yet unobtrusive tactile prompt to aid the student with autism in initiating verbal output during play-based and cooperative learning activities. The third article focused on research to teach children with autism to respond to and initiate bids for joint attention. It presents a study which was conducted on 3 children having autism to assess the effectiveness of using techniques such as prompting and social reinforcement as a means of teaching the children with autism to respond to an adult's bid for joint attention as a means to independently initiate joint attention. The fourth article is titled Teaching Teenagers with Autism to Seek Assistance When Lost. This article presented a study which was conducted on 3 teenagers with autism, with the aim to teach them to seek help or assistance when they were separated from their caregivers. The fifth article also details research to help teach children with autism to seek information. This article presented a study conducted with 3 children with autism to teach them to ask, "What's this?" when different stimuli were shown to them. The study concluded by presenting its overall findings that children with autism can be taught to raise questions and seek new information and learn in this manner. I will now present an overview of her works and her contributions to the world of autism. Dr. Taylor has numerous contributions. With the Alpine Learning Group, she was able to influence and better the lives of countless individuals. Her research work, publications, and advisory roles allowed her to develop and build up the field of ABA. Her research works presented concrete strategies to help individuals with autism live functional and independent lives. Through national and international conferences, she was able to have a global impact in the field of ABA. In the next slide, I will present 5 questions which I would ask if given the chance to interview Dr. Taylor. Given the chance to interview Dr. Taylor, I would ask the following questions. My first question would be, what made you want to get into the field of ABA? My second question would be, what was the biggest hurdle you faced in setting up the Alpine Learning Group? My third question would be, if you could identify one area of ABA in which you feel there is a need for more research, what would that be? My fourth question would be with regards to parents. What one piece of advice would you give parents of children with autism? And my final question would be, why do you feel that ABA has not been adopted in many countries across the globe despite all the evidence backing the success of ABA? I am sure by now it is evident that Dr. Taylor had a great impact on autism and ABA. I will conclude by highlighting the importance of her work. Her work enhances behavior analytic knowledge in that all the published articles present concrete ABA based strategies to improve the outcomes of individuals with autism. Her work is particularly interesting because it demonstrates the practical applicability of behavior analysis and further demonstrates how behavior analysis can be used to bridge the deficit skills and learning gap for individuals with autism. In conclusion, I would like to say that Dr. Taylor's contributions to ABA and particularly autism are profound because her research work presents clear and concrete ABA based strategies which can be applied to aid individuals with autism live independent and fully functional lives, therefore, helping us to better the lives of countless individuals with autism across the globe. That brings us to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. The next few slides have the reference list. Thank you. Bye bye.